Hi there, welcome back to Mo's Garage. In front of us, we see a 1970 MGB GT Project Car that's going to be featured on this channel. This is a car that I bought for my wife, Kathy. It looks really nice on the outside. The previous owner had put a paint job on it, an okay paint job. But unfortunately, it's a little stripped on the inside. The interior is pretty much all gone out of the car. So, and then the hood, underneath the hood, does not look a whole lot better. There's a lot of disassembly done and not a lot of reassembly. On the outside, though, the car is actually in fairly decent shape. I would give it a kind of maybe a 80 out of 100. The paint looks good from far, but up close, it looks like it still needs to be maybe wet sanded. There's some irregularities. So it's actually a good looking car, though, with a lot of potential. The car actually has a fuel cell in the back, which is kind of interesting to say the least. So again, the previous owner, let's pop this thing real quick, hold on. Here we go. So the previous owner is thinking about converting this into a race car. So the normal MG tank is gone, the boot is pretty well gone, and it's kind of taken place by this fuel cell. Kind of interesting. I think the whole idea was to get this be like they call them the Sebring MGs that they raced rally in Europe. I have the car currently on wheels. So the wheels are actually dual purposing here. It actually acts as a little bit of a jack, believe it or not. So easier to get underneath the car. And then also it's easier to move the car around. So let me pop the bonnet real quick. And then we will, you can take a look inside the engine compartment. Okay, as stated before, the engine compartment is a little threadbare. There's a new radiator that the previous owner installed. They did a nice job painting inside, but the engine per se is pretty much mostly disconnected from anything. All the electrical was redone, and quite frankly, I'm going to redo the redo. I'm not super impressed with the way it was done, so I've actually ordered the original wiring harness from a shop in England. But yeah, what you see is what you get right now, so there's going to be some putting it back together and refiguring out plumbing, etc., etc. So it'll be a bit of a project, but as the saying goes, busy hands are happy hands. So, and then just take a quick peek inside the car. It's kind of worth it. So we have over here kind of the dashboard, and as you can see, the inside of the car, it is pretty stripped and threadbare. So there'll be some fun involved in this. So anyway, so this is one of my projects. Looking forward to working on it. So stay tuned to videos as I come and do fun stuff to the car, at least fun for me. Hopefully you'll enjoy it also. Good deal. Well, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
If you like this video, hit subscribe and give us a big like down below. Thanks for watching.